Another day, another package for video review. Oh, this is a solar power bank, 45,800 mAh. This is from the company GOODaaa, and it seems to be something really useful for anybody who is on the move like me. This is the PNW31 solar power bank with hand crank generator. Oh wow, that's a new thing. So you can power it manually if there's no sun. You don't have that problem in Florida, especially here in the summer. Oh, it has a compass too. So this is to go out in the wild. And of course, USB-C wires to charge. Must be down here. This is waterproof, I see. Oh wow, you can charge it through here. That's pretty cool. Oh no, that's for the clip. Oh, here it is in the top. This is where you will connect it, in or out. And you can see here, this is the magnet side. So this is charging with induction. It has two lights here. Wow, pretty powerful. Emergency light. Try it outside later. It has 4 different wires to charge different devices. This is the old iPhone that I don't have anymore. USB-C. You see it's charging already. Wow, pretty nice product. And this is a solar panel to charge it with that. That's pretty cool. There it is. You can hang it. That's the compass. Really cool product. We'll check it later tonight. Well, here I am in the south of Chile. This town is called Malalcahuello. It's a skiing resort, which is called Corralco. And I came here for my annual ski trip. I brought this solar power bank from GOODaaa company. I already did the unboxing in Miami when I was there, so I wanted to save it to come here. And this is a really nice piece of equipment, and it's solar powered, so it should charge here. Actually, it's already charging. As soon as I took it off, started charging, which is really cool. And it has an induction charging port for your iPhone. Let's see here. And it has all the different types of wires for charging any device, basically. 4 of them. This is USB-C mini. This is the regular one that will fit the phone. Let's see how that works. There it is. It's charging already. Super useful for this kind of trips, any adventure, camping. Really good. Let me put this back. This one is for the old iPhone. There's still a lot around, so that's helpful too. And it has its powerful lights. I'm gonna test them tonight, later, after it's fully charged. The other cool thing is that if you don't have sun, you can crank it and charge it too. I don't know how long it will take to do it, but it's there as a last resort, I will say. But amazing design. There you have it. I'm gonna turn off the light. And if that's not enough, here are some ports to charge all your devices, input and output. So an amazing piece of equipment. And let's say you already out camping. Here's your compass. I don't know how many more things they could have add to this thing, but amazing design by GOODaaa with this solar power bank, 45800 mAh. Here are some of the specs. Charging points, 4 of them, the lightning input, the charging cables. These are the official names for them. This is essential equipment for someone who we just met this morning. He's on a camper, Toyota Hilux that has been converted, and he's traveling around Chile for months. So this could be very useful for him. Maybe we'll give it to him. I don't know. We're gonna wait for it to charge under the sun, and then we'll come back at night and see how powerful the lights are. So here we are in the south of Chile, and we're gonna test the lights of this power bank that we charge all day with the solar panel. And yeah, it's pretty powerful. As you can see here, it illuminates pretty far away, so this is definitely a good product.